Hey guys, welcome back to new video. In this video, we are going to learn about linear gradient in CSS. It is a very
अबे जल्दी बोल कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है
very important property to understand and to create stunning gradients like this. Okay, I'll explain what it is and how to use it, and along with that, let's create this small gradient button. Okay, so let's get started. First, let me explain what is there here. So in HTML, I have a div called container and I have a button inside that with glow button class. Okay, simple. And in CSS, first I have taken font family pop-ins from Google Font API. Okay, and then I have removed extra margin padding and I have assigned a background color and font family as pop-ins. Okay, simple. And for container, I have taken display flex, justify content center, align item center. So basically this will center my container. Okay, and height as 100 viewport height. This means whatever your screen size is, my container height should be 100% of it. So let's go to browser. You see guys, right now our button is like this. Okay, so let me go back to VS Code. Yeah, so first thing what I'll do is that let's select that button. So let me write here glow button. This is the class that we have given, glow button. Awesome. So first thing I want to do is that let's add background color to it. So let's add background color. Let's write 1C26 and 30. Okay, awesome. Now after that, let's take padding. Top and bottom should be 10 pixel, left and right should be 20 pixel, or let's take 30 pixel. Okay, simple. Now let's take font size. I want font size as 16 pixel. Okay, awesome. Now let's take the color. Let's take the color as white something. Okay, and after that, let's take border radius. Border radius as maybe 40 pixel. Okay, awesome. And let's write border, and I want border should be 2 pixel, solid one, and let's take the color as F0055. Okay, sorry, let's take 2 pixel. So let me go to browser. Yeah, so right now we have this one. Now what I will do is that let's add cursor as pointer, and after that let's take letter spacing. I want letter spacing as maybe 1 pixel. Okay, that should be fine. Yeah, now it looks much better. Okay, now what I will do is that let's take glow button and let's hover it. So this is where the main thing happens, and let me open this one. Yeah, so this is where we will write our main property guys, that is background image linear gradient. So I want this effect to take place when I am hovering on this glow button. Before we apply this property, first let's understand this. Okay, for that I have taken a small piece of code. So here in HTML I have this hello world div, and in style.css let me uncomment this one. So guys, the first parameter linear gradient will take is that where you want to apply the color, like to right, to left, to bottom, to top, where you want to apply the colors. Okay, and second parameter is number of colors, like how many colors. You can provide as many colors as you want, but it looks weird when you add more colors, so we should always keep it very less. So if you see here, I have taken 2 right and then yellow, blue, red. So what happens is that when you provide 2 right, the last color red, this red will come to right side. So basically what you're telling is that start with yellow and blue, and then at the end to the right side I want red color. Okay, now the question is from where the yellow will start. Yellow will start the opposite of the provided parameter, that means the left. So here we have provided right, that means yellow will start from left side. Okay, so from left yellow will start, and then blue will take over, and then red will come at the right end. Okay, so for example, if I type here to bottom, now you tell me what will happen. Obviously to bottom means red should come at the bottom. That means what is the opposite of bottom? Top. So yellow will start from top. So yellow and then followed by blue and then red. So if I go to this one, you see to top means yellow will come at the top. So what is opposite of top? Bottom. So red will start from bottom. You see here red and then green and then yellow. And here to left, that means yellow color should come at left side. So that is why here we have yellow color, and then green, and then what is opposite of left? Right. So red came at the right side. Okay, and you can provide all the parameters that you can, to top, to bottom, to left, to right. Okay, you can provide all these things based on your requirement. And also we can write to bottom right. So I'll write to bottom right. Now what is happening? We have written to bottom right. That means we want the red color should be at the bottom right side. That means yellow will start at top left side, opposite. So what is opposite of top? Bottom, top. right, left. So yellow will start from left and then blue will take over, and then at the bottom right red will come. Okay, so like this you can also provide to bottom right, to bottom left, to top right, top left, like that. Okay, so this is one way, and the other way is by providing degrees. For example, let me remove this one and let me write 90 degrees. Now you see at the left side yellow started and then blue and then red came at right end. So what is happening here is that, where is that? Yeah. So if you take a clock or circle, where is the 90 degrees? It is at this point. That is nothing but right side. So the same thing we are telling, guys. I am telling right side red should be there. So that is why red came at the right side. If I put here 0 degrees. Yeah, 0 degrees. Now where is 0 degrees in circle? It is at the top. Now if I go here, I am saying top should be red color. You see, top red. Obviously opposite bottom should be yellow color. I mean it will start from yellow and then blue and then red. Okay, so this is how you can also provide degrees like 0 degrees, 45 degrees, 90 degrees, 270, 360, whatever you want. Okay, we still have few more things. So if I go to this one, along with these degrees and this to top to left, we can also provide percentages. Like I want red should take 50% and then green should take 50%. Okay, so if I come here, let me write 2 and then write. Okay, and after that let me remove this red. Okay, awesome. Now what we can do is that I can provide, or I can tell how much percentage of my yellow color should be there. Okay, so if I write here 70% of gradient will be yellow and remaining color is blue. Okay, likewise I can provide maybe 30. Right, now you see only 30% is the yellow color and then blue will take over. Okay, and along with that I can also tell from what percentage to what percentage I want yellow color. For example, I can write here from 10% to 40% I want yellow color, and then I want blue should take over from 40% to 70% maybe. Okay, and then after that I want red should take over from 70%. This is how weird it will look. Okay, but basically this is the starting point, this is the ending point. Okay, and since we have right here, red will come at the right side. From 70% it has taken over. Okay, and if I go to the picture, where is that? Yeah, you see this is the starting point, this is the ending point. Okay, this is it, guys. I think we have covered almost everything. Now I have one small question, guys. Just you guys try out and put in the comments. What happens when you don't provide any parameter, right? When you just give linear gradient, yellow, blue and red, not even this percentage. Okay, what will happen? Let's go back to our VS Code. Yeah, so we are here. Let's write here 45 degrees. Now you know what is 45 degrees means, right? So let me put comma and let me take the color now. So the color should be FF0055, and then one more color is, let's write FF9900. Okay, yeah. Now let me go to browser. If I hover on this one, you see, guys, we are getting this nice gradient color. And if I go to the page where we have clock, 45 degrees means it should be somewhere in between these two. That means right side. So that is why right side we are getting this orangish color, and from left side pink is starting. And looks like there is one thing that we are missing, that is transition. So let's add here transition and let's write here all. I want transition to apply on all properties of this glow button. Okay, and let's take time as 0.3 seconds, and then transition type is in out. Now along with this, there is one thing that we are missing, guys, to get that shadow effect. So first let me go to browser. Yeah, you see now we are getting, I don't know if you are observing or not, some smooth transition. So if I go to the VS Code, let's write box shadow property to get that shadow effect. So let's write here box shadow, and here let's take horizontal 0, vertical 0, and blurriness should be 25 pixel, and then let's take the color. So the color will be FF0055. Okay, and let's take comma and let's take one more effect. So let's write here 0, 0, and then let's write here 100 pixel, and let's take the same color, that is FF055. So basically we are increasing the blurriness of the shadow. So if I go to browser, if you hover on this one, you see we are getting that nice shadow on the back end. So now if I put one more value, that should be 0, 0, and let's increase it to 150 pixel. Okay, the blurriness, and let's take the same color, that is 55. Yeah, you see we are getting that final color with this nice shadow effect on the back. So this is it, guys. I hope you guys got the clarity about this linear gradient. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.